Good morning from beautiful Edna. I need to look it up. Wyoming. I'm just at the cutest Airbnb. I'm with two of my girlfriends, Elisa and Melissa, and we're on a girls trip. And today we are gonna go into Teton National Park, and we're gonna go do a dinner cruise and look for some bison. So it should be a really good time. But our little Airbnb is like so darling. I wanted to show you around because it is just absolutely beautiful out. I mean, look at those views. It's a little smoky out. There's been a lot of fires lately, but it's starting to clear up, which is nice. But look how cute. Our neighbors, the place has 2 rentals, and our neighbors brought us apples because there is a bunch of horses out here. So we can go feed the horses. All right, well, let me show you around. Isn't this so darling? So they had a cute little Crosley record player over there, so I turned that on this morning. And then this is a fold out couch, which is cool. But the walls and the ceilings are so cute. So this is where we had breakfast today. And I love that they have like the butcher block. And they have cute dishes. And this is the bathroom. I love the blue against the white and then the dark wood. I think that's just like a really pretty combo. And then it has the sink over here. There's me. And then here's the bedroom. And it has the cute walls, and it's just a darling place. We're bracelet shopping, and I just bought these 2 with the Tetons. All right, Melissa, model for us what you're finding.
Oh, was it a video?
Yeah.
Hi.
Cute necklace.
Cute necklace, and I'm deciding between this one too.
Ooh, good options. I like this guy right here too.
Okay, awesome.
This is where we just got our new jewelry at. Toy store, because it's my fave. It's just the cutest place ever. I think this guy's pretty cute. Of course, had to stop at the Pendleton store and get Jake a new blanket. This is the one I picked out for him. It's a Teton limited edition. All right, Elisa, what'd you get?
So I bought a pair of Casey boots, which I have been dreaming of for years.
Which is super exciting.
And I picked them out according to what will look best with manure on them.
That's a real cowgirl for you.
There you go.
We're down at Coulter Bay Marina, and we're gonna go on a dinner cruise! So crazy with all the smoke and fires. It's been pretty foggy, but you can see the Tetons just a little bit. We just docked the boat. We're on Elk Island, and we're here for dinner. What are you?
Starving.
Yeah, we're so hungry. What are you most excited to eat?
I'm going to get right now.
Yeah, Elisa's in hunting mode.
I'm in starving mode.
Starving
I think
mode.
I'll
Steak,
eat lots of
rainbow
potatoes.
trout.
Missing his neck.
Yes,
He's probably the key component.
he is. He's good at that kind of stuff. But Elk Island is the largest island in Wyoming, which is pretty cool.
1,100 miles?
Yeah, that
Miles or
sounds
feet?
right.
Okay.
Yeah.
I can't remember. Acres.
It's big. It's big. And it's called Elk Island because of the elk.
They just swim the whole way.
Oh yeah, say that again, I stopped it.
The elk swim the whole way across to Elk Island. They don't like walk over the frozen lake. They actually swim once the ice melts.
Pretty cool. You see tables up in the distance. Walking a cute trail. Dinner with a great view. I have to say I'm happy with the hot sauce spread. How's the food so far?
The potato
Yeah?
is delicious.
It's like, looks like this cheesy yumminess.
so good.
Oh my. Oh my. This is how our food was served. It was so cute. This is the outhouse on Elk Island. We found out it was $80,000 just for this baby. But look, here's a cute little bird. And Melissa found some bones that we're gonna go check out. That I'm a little scared, but not scared. Oh my gosh, it has ribs. What? What was this?
It was probably an elk.
Whoa. Melissa's really good at spotting bones. She found some more.
Secret talent I've got.
It is a secret talent. The bone finder.
Yep.
Bone
that's what
doctor.
they call me. I have my own reality TV show.
Melissa the bone doctor. Do you think your kids would like a rib as a souvenir?
I think so. Would you mind carrying it for me?
We just had dinner and it was awesome. What was your guys' favorite?
Potatoes.
And the potatoes.
Yeah, those were
Definitely.
really, really good. And who knew, by volunteering on the boat to be second mate, which I did, you get special privileges and you get to eat first. So if you're hangry, volunteer to be the second mate. They also have bug spray here, which is really nice. So if you're scared of mosquitoes or bugs, they have DEET for you. Time to get back on the boat. Let's do this, ladies! Going to the back of the boat!
I only wanna wake up with you. I only wanna be with you now. New light, the whole earth in bloom. I fly through the stars to get to you.
Elk on Elk Island. It's a real thing.
First breath, first moment with you.
Every trip is complete with a trip to the gift shop. I have never had such a hard time selecting a magnet. There's just so many good options. We got some magnets from the gift shop. Goodbye, Tetons.
At the dinner cruise, the food was delicious. Captain was hilarious. Old cowboy from Idaho.
Pretty
But
awesome.
Overall, A++.
We're getting our face masks on. We found these at Target, you know, win-win, win-win. Elisa still needs to get hers on. Elisa, you look so beautiful. Well, I got home from my girls' trip.
Yay, Kelsey's home.
And it was a great time, but it feels good to be home. And now I need to go get ready for church. But we have something to give Jake. Do you want to see what we got you?
Of course I do.
Here you go.
Oh my goodness.
Got you a surprise.
A Pendleton.
I know.
Oh my goodness, you gotta be kidding me.
I saw it and I knew you would love it.
Well, anything Pendleton, oh my goodness.
It's a Teton National Park blanket.
Wow, holy cow.
It's really cute.
It looks like it.
Okay, what do you
Okay,
think?
this says Jackson Hole Pendleton, Grand Tetons Reflections.
Open it up.
Wow.
Yeah, I saw it when we came in, when I went into
Oh
the
my
store and I
goodness.
was like, this is so awesome.
So cute.
I loved like the purple and the burgundy
Wow.
and the
I love it.
animals.
Oh my goodness.
A new blanket for Jakey.
Thanks, babe.
The end.